Okay, toy people, I'm gonna make a brush song today. Except I don't have a brush. So let me find one. Got it. It has charcoal. It has stones. It has gold. You never know what it has. It might even have food poisoning. But my daddy uses it to scrape the barbecue off my barbecue sauce. Yeah. He never goes to old places such as Burger King just to get a 1953 old burger. He always gets a brush. This freaking brush that has some charcoal, food poisoning, gold. This brush has gold. This brush has food poisoning. This brush has charcoal. This brush might sound stupid. Sometimes it can kill cables like the spatula. Remember the old spatula? I know this brush isn't good, but it's for charcoal. It usually has shit on it, cause it wipes my dad's barbecue. Okay, I'm gonna scrape it now. Scrape. Gotta scrape you now. Scrape. I'm gonna hit you now. Scrape. Hit. Scrape. Is the camera blurry? Is the cable gone? Is the brush dirty? Oh, I only got 10 megabytes. One little brush, one golden brush. It's a pipe from water, electricity, my shakes, doses 2 more than a second, so I'm dead.